Singles day, San Clemente. Always love coming to this tournament. Had some good results in the past. Just got done with my first one. So far, so good. Played my guy, Zach Taylor. Had to show him who looked better in a tank top. Got the 4 seed today. Looking forward to it. One match at a time. Let's have your day. Semifinals coming up, 3-0 today, rock and rolling. Serve feels good. Forehand feels even more down. Just play Christian, beat him in 2 tough games. Christian's got a lot of upside and happy to be moving on. Semis coming up. Schick and Frazier have to play. I play the winner of that for the championship. Okay, got Princess here with me. What's her name? Her name is Elsa. Elsa and I are going to Championship Sunday, and little Macker here is going to be showing us with some actual pants on. He hasn't worn pants for a couple days. Good day for me. Beat Schick in the semis. Happy to be moving on to Championship Sunday. Let's have a good weekend. So far, Catherine and I just won our round of 16. Got the quarters coming up. So far, it's been a good day. The weather's a little dark out here, but the ball's moving. Got to use the forehand to keep the day rolling. Men's day playing with Jimmy. We're 1-0 so far. It's been a good 2 days so far, so hoping to make it through today so I can make 3 for 3 come Championship Sunday, and I'm a happy boy. Yeah. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. Fall back. Yeah. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. Yeah. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. Not going anywhere. I'm going to stick around and play singles and keep banging the serve and finding forehands until as long as I can.